Hey guys, it's Melissa, aka Millennial Money Mom, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pirate Ship to save money on shipping with USPS, the post office, and UPS. This is going to show you everything you need to know to get started. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. This is really great if you're selling anything online, or even if you want to save money on shipping something to a friend or family member. You're getting ripped off if you're buying your shipping directly through the post office or UPS. So let's get right into it. Before I start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. So here we're going to start off at Pirate Ship, and we're going to click on rates. And basically what Pirate Ship is it's an aggregator. So you're going to put in some information of where you're shipping from and the zip code you're shipping to, and it will show you the best rate for you so you can compare. So when you're shipping, you're also going to want to think about the packaging. So it's going to ask you if you're shipping it in a box or a poly mailer. Now, if you're shipping something like t-shirts, those are pretty lightweight and they're soft. So that is okay to ship in a poly mailer. And it's also going to save you money because the poly mailer is lighter. If you ship something in a box, the box weighs more, and the way they calculate the rates is by dimensional weight. So it's going to be dimensions of the package plus the weight. However, let's say you're packaging something that could get crushed, like a delicate collector's item, a toy, yada yada. You definitely want to package it in a box so that it can be protected from the other packages that it's being shipped with. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an example. So let me grab my information real quick. And real quick, the reason why I mention what you're shipping in a box versus a bag, it is actually really important to think about it because, like I said, the box is going to add extra weight to your package. However, if it's necessary to be protected to be shipped in a box, then you want to do it. But let's say you're selling t-shirts, you're shipping t-shirts, it's totally unnecessary to ship t-shirts in a box when they could just go in a padded envelope or a plastic poly mailer. So you really have to think about what you're shipping and the outer container when you're shipping. So let's get into this. Okay, so I typed in my zip codes, my to and from, and my dimensional information, dimensions, and weight, and I clicked see shipping rate. So now it's telling me if I ship it with the post office, it's going to cost me $8.35. However, if I was to send it with UPS, it costs a little more. It would cost almost $11. And usually the post office delivers within 5 business days. What's nice about UPS is it tells me that it's estimated to be delivered at this date, at this time, if shipped today, yada yada. That's nice. I'm just going to click on ship now for the post office because I just want to use the cheapest for now. Okay, and so now I'm just going to fill out the information for my shipping label, and I will be right back. Okay, and so then I'm going to select my shipping container. Also, the priority mail boxes are a really good option as well. However, they're more expensive, but if you need to ship something fast, it will be delivered within 3 days. So that's a really good option for you. But for now, I'm just going to do this. And because this is a poly mailer, it only asks for 2 dimensions versus if I was to select this box, it would ask for 3 dimensions. So I'm going to put, I think this is 11 or 12 by 3, 12 by 3, and this is about 1.5 pounds. And then I'll click get rates again. Okay, and as you can see, it actually defaulted to priority mail cubic. I don't want priority mail. That means that it's going to be shipped within, or it's going to be delivered within 1 to 3 days. I don't need it that fast. I'm okay with just the cheapest. So I'm just going to change this to Ground Advantage cubic for $8.35. And then today is the day that it'll be shipping. And it will also charge my Chase Business Preferred card. So if you have a Chase Business Preferred card, you'll get 3 times back or 3x back on shipping. So this is a really great business credit card to have, and you can save on shipping. I'm going to leave the link below if you're interested in signing up for one of the Chase business cards. They are definitely top tier if you're looking to fund and scale your business. Let's go ahead and buy this label. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will respond to them. I hope this helped you save money so you don't get ripped off on your shipping fees. Happy money making. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.